Hi there, this is Vivek. I am the co-founder and chief data scientist with CellStrat. We are an AI platform startup based in US, Delaware. Today I'll be demonstrating our new speech-to-text API and app, which we have launched on our CellStrat Hub AI platform. So let's begin. I'm sharing my screen now. So this is our platform, which is called cellstrathub.com. It's a comprehensive AI platform to learn, develop, and deploy AI for enterprises and SMBs and developers. So let's log in here. You can sign up for an account if you don't have a login. So let me already log in. I have an account here. So I'm logging in into my account. And here you'll see your dashboard for CellStrat Hub. And if you want to try the APIs and AI apps which we have, you can go to the API marketplace, which is also our AI apps marketplace. So here you see various apps and APIs for various artificial intelligence tasks related to computer vision and NLP. Today I'll focus on our speech to text API, which has just been launched. Let's go there. Here you can see we have a AI app and API, which allows you to convert or transcribe speech audio to text. You can record, small form audio here using the recording button here, and then click on make prediction to actually transcribe or convert that audio into text, and it will display the text output on the AI app here. So we have the full stack AI app here, as we like to call it. We also have this solution available as an API, this is the URL for the API. You can integrate this REST API into your web or mobile applications easily using a JSON web service protocol. And the input and output payload for JSON is defined here. And sample code for JavaScript and Python clients is also provided here. How you can call this API from either JavaScript or Python code, right? And so you'll need to get a API key from your deployment dashboard, which you can access by clicking on deploy models, and you can simply create an API key and integrate this API along with the API key into your client code. So let me go back to where I was. I'm going to the speech to text AI app, and it is loading the AI app, the AI API in memory. Once it's ready, and then we'll test this API and this AI app. So again, speech to text is a technique to transcribe speech audio to text. It's very useful for applications like transcribing audio and video, information text mining, or just storing your audio transcripts from any kind of conversation, whether it's a doctor conversation, a legal conversation, or business conversation, or audio video, of course. So all of those can be transcribed to text using this audio to or speech to text solution. So let's test this. The model is ready now. I'm going to start the recording, and I'll just say it allows up to 10 seconds. It allows up to 10 seconds of speech. And if you need something longer than that, you can contact CellStrat. The email address for contacting CellStrat is given here. You can also click on support and open a support request, and we'll reach out to you if you're interested in these kind of AI solutions. So let me test out this particular AI app here. I'm going to start recording and say a small sentence. This speech to text app by CellStrat Hub is so cool. If you want to play back what you just recorded, you can just click on this. This speech to text app by CellStrat Hub is so cool. You can, make it mute or unmute. You can change the speed if you like. Let's say you want to increase the speed of playback. This speech to text app by CellStrat Hub is so cool. If you want to slow the speed of this, you can slow it down as well. This speech rather too slow. Let me try a little faster, if you will. To text app by CellStrat Hub is so cool. Right, let's bring to normal speed. This speech to text app by CellStrat Hub is so cool. So now that we have recorded the speech, we like to transcribe, and model says ready. Let's do a inference. So it says this speech to text app by CellStrat is so cool. So based on your accent and your clarity, it will catch the text correctly. Let's try another recording. Today is my gym day, but going to gym is not so motivating, is it? So as you can see, it is capturing the text to a good extent, and obviously we can train the model further based on your custom data sets for your development project or your company project for making a very sophisticated text to speech, a speech to text application, and of course text to speech as well. Let's try another recording here. We are looking forward to seeing some good movies on OTT channels this weekend. It's been a while since we got some good movies. So it's about 9 seconds long, as you can see. We are looking forward to seeing some good movies on OTT channels this weekend. It's been a while since we got some good movies. Okay, now let's do inference. Convert this to text. So as you can see, it transcribes okay, but yeah, some words can need improvement. It also based on clarity of your accent and how close you are to the microphone on your computer or your smartphone. Let me try one more small audio. What would you like to eat today? Are you interested in Thai food today? Let's try to do a prediction on this audio. Okay, so as you can see, the Thai was Thai food. So basically, some words it can do better, but it's also based on your voice clarity, your closeness to the microphone. So if you're interested in such, speech to text or text to speech AI applications, reach out to CellStrat either at this email contact@cellstrat.com, or just go to the support and open a ticket, and we'll reach out to you. Thank you all for joining today. We'll see you in our next session.